How to fix Microsoft Teams no join link scheduling issue. So here I am in the Microsoft Teams application. So sometimes when you create events right here in your calendar, sometimes the join link is missing. So I'll show you why that happens. So for example, let's say I set up an event right here from 11:30 to 12 p.m. I can just click new, and then let's say I just put like test right here. You can put anything right here in the description and then click save. From here, it will create that event, but it will not be a meeting link. So when I click on this event, as you can see, there is no join button to join a link. So this is because we didn't input like any required attendees. We didn't turn on Teams meeting. So that's why it's treated just like a normal event. So it's not treated as a Microsoft Teams meeting link. So from here, you can just invite the required attendees. So let's say we invite some people right here with my other Teams accounts. And then you can add the room or location if you want. And immediately when you add people right here, it will automatically turn on this Teams meeting. You can turn it off if you want, but if you turn it off, again, we will not have the join button link to enter the Teams meeting. From here, you can edit the description again if you want, as well as the agenda. From here, and then just click send. Once you're finished, it will now update the event, and then it will change it into a Microsoft Teams meeting. Now, when we click on that same event, you can see we now have the join button right here. And then we can click join to join inside of the Teams meeting in the calendar. And then, yeah, that is it. So I can just close this. And then that is how we can fix the Microsoft Teams no join link scheduling issue. So I hope you learn how to do it. And thank you for watching.